Today we're just doing a smoked tri-tip with focaccia bread and then a grilled romaine salad. My name is Matthew Kelly. I'm a firefighter with the Fresno City Fire Department, and I've been here about 8 years now. Focaccia bread is something I do fairly regularly. I do a 2-to-1 mixture of water to flour, salt, olive oil. Let it rise with yeast. You can either do sourdough if you have it on hand, or you just use your little yeast packets you get at the store. I'm cooking the tri-tip on a Traeger smoker today. For the most part, everything in the stations that's not inside, we will buy on our own dime. We just bought this Traeger not too long ago, and that's what we're cooking our tri-tip on today. For the romaine hearts, it's just olive oil, salt and pepper, and lemon juice. So you put it on the grill to get char marks and kind of caramelize some of the sugars in there. So generally speaking, in our 2 company houses, which are a fire engine and a fire truck, the firefighters assigned to the truck will cook, and that's what I do. We spend a third of our life here at the station. We work 48 hours on, so when you get here, it's just like the coworkers become your family members. Everybody is pitching in and helping out around the station, whether it's cooking, cleaning, doing yard, checking out apparatus to working on calls, everybody pitches in.